Module 19 study guide looked at 8. Let's look at 8. So we have to find the measure of x. So this up as a proportion. We have the height and the base. So the height and base. The height of the smaller triangle is 4 and the base is 6. Well, we know that the height of the larger triangle is 10, so what is the base of the larger triangle? So here we can cross multiply and divide. 60 times, or 6 times 10 equals 60. 4 times x is 4x, so we divide by 4. Cross multiply. 6 times 10, 60 divided by 4, and x equals 15. Not x, I'm sorry. All the way across equals 15. Here's where you need to be careful, because all the way across will equal 15. We don't care about this part, which is 6, so what's left over? This is actually 9. Because all the way across is 15, we don't want all the way across. We have 6 here, the rest is 9. So x equals 9. Moving on to problems 9 and 10. Brad and Ashley. So here's Brad's driving, and here's Ashley's driving. Which driver drove at a faster rate? So let's see first off if Brad is proportional. So we'll do change in y over change in x. So the slope equals change in y over change in x. And change in y, miles per hour. Change in y here is, well, would be 192 minus 144. And you would get 48 over change in x, which is 1. So 48 over 1. So if we multiply, we should be able to multiply by 48 and get the answer. By answer, I mean 3 times 48 should equal 144. 4 times 48 should equal 192. 4 times 288 should, no, I'm sorry, 48 times 6 should equal 288. 48 times 7 should equal 336, and 48 times 9 should equal 432. Okay, that shows that it's proportional. And seeing as how the slope is 48, we could have just plugged it in here. So y equals 48x. And does it work? 144 equals 48 times 3, and 144 does equal 144. So a couple ways we could have checked that. So this is the unit rate. So this is Brad. Brad is driving at 48 miles per hour. Now let's look at Ashley. Down here on our graph we have 1 hour right here, and it goes through this point. And so that's 50. So in 1 hour it's 50 miles, so Ashley drives at 50 miles per hour. So which driver drove at a faster rate? That would be Ashley. And this also answers number 10. How many miles per hour faster did the faster driver drive? So Ashley drove faster by 2 miles per hour.